Hey, it's Spence from WPLaunchKit.com. We had a nice day today with our first live training bundle session, and a couple takeaways. First of all, thanks for everybody who attended. I had over 35 people that were signed up, and at least 10 to 12 of you were live, which is amazing considering it's a Tuesday at 1 o'clock. I wanted to show you the plumber using his own, fixing his own toilet. So basically, I've been talking about how in a modern stack, we want to use tools like bunny.net in order to have our media elsewhere. But then I wanted to also show the concept, which I talked about today, of having a product page in WooCommerce that has multi-purpose functionality. So let me set up what I'm going to show you. I have 4 session videos that are only available to somebody who has gotten the tag from the CRM for visibility. And since this is a cohort of buying the product, I can continue to add a new tag every time the cohort's over for the next set. So I can show an unlimited number of cohorts with just one tag. What I've done is I've taken the actual product page, the LaunchKit Live Training Bundle sales page, and instead of having a second or a third or fourth location where to bury the files, I'm making it that just by being registered and logged in and having the tag that comes from having purchased the bundle, or in some cases being given it, you can see the replays. So you go back to the live training bundle page just by legitimately where you bought it from, right? So here's like WP Launchify. If you click here for the live training bundle from the sales tab, it takes you to the page. But notice, I'm registered and logged in. Notice I can see session 1. Now, how did I do this? I use the same tool that I talked about today. I'm using bunny.net, and I have a stream, and I created a private folder, and I configured this private folder with the security here so that these videos will only work if they're embedded on the URL of WP Launchify and maybe LaunchKit and my other domains. So somebody can't just, I don't really care, but just to demonstrate, somebody can't just walk away with this like they would if it was a regular MP4 video. So I uploaded it here. I then grabbed the embed, which is no big deal because it's just beautiful and easy to set up. Copied the embed. Then I went over to my product page and I used the very same wrapper that I talked about today. So for example, at the top of the page, I put in a WP Fusion wrapper. I set it up that it needs the live training bundle, and then I use the cohort of, we're in America, so December is 12, 12, 12, 23, meaning the cohort starting on 12, 12, 23. Now, I can have a different tag for each cohort, so I could stack an unlimited number of, things to be seen based upon different people buying at different times, right? If you came here in January, you might have live training bundle 01, 05, 24 or something. Then I used the wrapper capability. It has inner and outer. So if you have the tag, you can see the contents that are in the inner. And that's where I put my usual cadence WP LaunchKit kind of build out. I put in a row. I set it up so it has the configuration of max width from theme. Put a nice background color on it. And then I use the cadence tabs. And here I've got tab for 1, 2, 3, 4. Since today is the only day that I've got it, all I did is I used an HTML widget and I pasted in, ta-da, the embed code that I just grabbed right from here from bunny.net. Okay. And you can, if you need to, you can preview it on this side. I don't feel it's that necessary, but you can see it if you want to. And then I updated it. And that's all there is to it. So this is an example. It's very meta. It's the plumber fixing his toilet using the same tools that he's teaching your future plumbers how to fix their toilets and to sell it. But you see, it doesn't have to be complicated. When somebody buys this product, if we scroll down here, that's when they, I won't show you all the details. With WP Fusion, that's when I can assign them the tag or tags. Now, in this case, I give them the general tag of purchase live training bundle, but I use my automation to essentially give them the cohort tag. Like if they signed up between this day and that day, give them a special tag. And that special tag is this one that I'm talking about, the 12, 12, 23 tag. Now let's take a look real quick. If we open this incognito, I may have to adjust the screen a little bit. Let's see what we see. Ta-da! We see nothing. So if you registered and logged in, but you didn't have the tag and you came to this page, you're not going to see anything but, hey, buy this thing, right? If on the other hand, you've already bought it and you come back in, the very first thing you're going to see is the panel of, hey, here's your content. Now, if I wanted to, I could actually hide all the rest of the stuff. I am leaving it here because there's some convenient things. Like here's another example of 2 for 1. I've got all the links to the training session. And now those are actually protected links because those are sessions where somebody has to be already like registered with their email. But I could have those be literally protected in the same way if I was, let's say, going to have on this page, and maybe that's what I'll do for next session, the video. Maybe somebody just comes here and they can see this, or probably I would just put it right here where I got a placeholder. Come here, session 2, watch this thing in place. Maybe that's what I'll do, because today I was having some questions about maybe instead of a private video, maybe I should just have a video that's unlisted, but only visible if you know where to go. I hope this is interesting. I hope you will join me for whatever your marketing automation membership needs are. Fully hosted LaunchKit, $97 a month. All the software included, unlimited emails, all the help, ready to go sites. You can get hands-on support, either just an hour or a full build out, or you can do the training bundle and get 4 hours of me for free. That's $297 for $1,497 worth of value. I've got rave reviews, lots of happy folks who basically will help you to understand that you don't have to suffer. I can solve your problems with the stuff that has only taken me 20 years and almost 50,000 clients and customers to figure out. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.